Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 2018-19 video tutorial. I want to do that grill exercise now in SolidWorks. Worked similar to the other ones. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. Okay, let's show our planes and let's start with a sketch on the front plane. I need a circle which should be aligned here like this, and the diameter should be 600, and the distance between the origin and the center should be 100. Then I need two lines for construction, which should let me take a look. Yeah, should go to this point. Those two should be first, they should be trimmed, so trim here and there. Now align those 2 points horizontal, add a dimension. Hopefully I didn't snap on a 90-degree angle. No, this didn't work. Smart dimension, click and click, and this should be maybe 80 degrees. So it's symmetric, and I could leave that sketch. I will need an axis, so go for reference geometry, axis, select if possible the origin, which is not really possible, and a plane, that would be this plane, so I got that axis. Now I could, of course, I forgot to trim that one, really. So edit the sketch, and of course you have to trim like this, confirm, and now I could make a surface revolve. So go for revolve, select the profile, axis of revolution would be that axis, and I go for a midplane, and I want it to be 70 degrees, and confirm. I need another axis through that point in that direction, so I go for another axis, select if possible that point and direction, so go for point and direction, and I can't select that point. Great. This is kind of annoying. So let's see if I can put a point there. A point right there. Nope. Really? You're kidding me. So let's go for a sketch on that plane. Let's draw a line from this point, not from this point, but down below, maybe like this, and align maybe the midpoint and that one vertical. I don't need a dimension for the length, but I would need a dimension, a distance from the line to the origin, and this should be 100. Confirm, leave that sketch. So I've got this axis and that axis. Now two sketches on this plane, or I could put them in one sketch. So the first one, let's look like this. Align the midpoint with the origin. Coincident, give it a length. And this might be 380. No, that's much less, 180. That could work. Confirm. And I want to do the second line in a second sketch. So go for another sketch on that plane. Another line. And this should go in this direction. Align again the midpoint and the origin. Midpoint, confirm, give it a length, and this might be 380. That's crazy. I've got some problems with my number block. No, that's too much. Let's check. Let's go for 320. Yeah, should work. Confirm. Leave that sketch. Now 2 extrudes. Surface extrudes. One with this sketch. Not this one, but that one. So it selected this one, so let's go for this one. Doesn't matter. Go for 300. Confirm. And another one. Not another one with that line. Again 300 and confirm. Now let's hide the planes. And thicken those 2 surfaces, those 2 extrudes. So I go to features, thicken, neutral, 1 millimeter. This plane, confirm. Another thicken with that surface. Don't merge the results, so we'll get 2 separate bodies. Okay. Let's go for a pattern, and I want to pattern in that quadrant right here, so I go this way and that way. So where's my pattern? There you go, circular pattern. And I want to pattern not a feature but a body. Let's go for bodies. I want to pattern this body in that direction. So it's a circular one, and the axis should be this one. And instance spacing 3 degrees and maybe 6 instances. 6 or 7. Let's go for 6. That's okay, and confirm. Then this one, another circular pattern with that axis. Again 3 degrees, 6 instances, and with that body. Looks good. Confirm. Now I got 12 bodies. I want to make a union or unite those. So make it like this. I want to unite them with combine. Where's my combine? There you go. Combine. Add. Let's show it over here. I want to add all of these and confirm. Now I want to split or trim that body with that one, and that's cut with surface. Okay. The surface to cut is this one, and the other way around, that should be removed. Yeah. Now let's go for an offset surface. And offset surface might be here, yes. I want to offset that revolve, but not in this direction, the other direction. And it should be 2 millimeter. And confirm. Let's hide where my surface is. There you go. Hide this one and cut again with that one. So cut with surface. That's the cut, and I want to remove this down below. That's okay. Great. Can I cut with a plane? I'm not quite sure. I could try, but I think I need a surface. Let's try. Bring back the planes, this one and that one, and see if we can do it. This could be hidden. Okay, let's see if we can cut with a plane. Yep, seems so. So I want to move this side, yes. And then another cut with surface, that one. Turn it around and so that was the wrong side. Edit this one. The arrow should be in that direction. Okay. I need 2 more pattern surfaces, so I will bring back my 2 extrudes. So my surface extrudes are somehow gone. I will make 2 new ones. So go for a surface extrude. Of course you have to show those sketches, make them visible. Let's go for an extrude with this one, again 300, confirm, and another one with that line, no, with that one. Yeah, that's really sort of annoying. Okay, I want this line 300 and don't do any merging also. Okay, now I will pattern them first because I need them for a cut as well. So let's pattern them. Go for a circular pattern, and the axis would be this one, and I go for 21 and 2 instances, and I want to pattern a body, that body. And this looks okay with 21, yes. Confirm. And another one, another circular pattern. Now the axis would be this one, and the body I want to, that's again 21 and 2 instances, and I want to pattern another body, this body in that direction. That's okay, and confirm, yes. Maybe hide the 2 extrude surfaces. I really don't know what consumed those 2. Maybe the thickening. Now I want to thicken this one and that one. Let's see. If I go for thicken, I want to thicken this surface, and I don't want to merge the result. And now I want to go for 2 millimeter, but in just one direction. Let's go for 10 so it's better visible. So it's the other one, it's this one. Now go for 2 mm and confirm. And let's check. No, it's still there. No, now it's, yeah. The thicken does consume the surface. That's not quite as expected. And even 21 seems to be too much. So let's check this circular pattern out. And go for maybe 18. That's more like it in this case. Yeah, that's more like it. Same for this one. Make it this one 18. Where does this 15 come from? 18. Oh no, that's the instance. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, that's of course. But this looks better. Now go for another thicken. So I want to thicken the surface in, that's hard to see, so let's try again 10 and check it out. The other way around in this direction and go for 2 mm, and again that will consume this surface. That's kind of sad. Yeah. Now I could make a union. I could unite those three. So go for combine, add this body, that body, and this one. Confirm. Now cut. Let's bring back our revolve surface, this one. I need one with a distance in that direction, an offsetted one. So go for, where's the offset? There, no, that's the offset. From this one, yes, 2 mm. Again, hard to see. Check it out, that's down below, that's up. Confirm. Hide the revolve surface and cut the body with that not with this, with the offset, yes, and in the other direction, and confirm. Great. Now I need an offset surface from the revolve, so let's hide this one, bring back the revolve and make an offset surface in that direction with 3. So where is it? Offset this one 3, but turn it around like that. Confirm. Hide this one. Now cut with that surface. Okay. Offset 3, that's okay. And this side should vanish. Okay. Now maybe cut with the planes. Of course you could cut later altogether, but I want to cut with surface. Now that's this surface, and that's okay. Yep. Cut once more with that plane. And the arrow points in that direction, yes, confirm. Now in order to cut this off, I need again 2 patterned extrudes. That's really, really annoying that the surfaces are consumed. But doesn't help. Okay, like this. Go for circular patterns. circular pattern with this axis and that surface, body, and go for 2 and 18 degrees. Confirm. And another circular pattern with that axis and this body in that direction, 18 degrees. Confirm. Now cut. Let's hide those two. Go for cut with surface, this surface, the other direction. Confirm. Cut again with that surface, direction is okay. Confirm. Here, and hide those two. Nice. And of course I could bring them back, show them. But I need two more. Okay, let's hide them for the moment. Bring back our revolve like this. Now let's trim that surface. So the surface trim was this one. I want to trim this surface. That's not the tool. The trim tool is this one and that one, but I can only select one. Okay, and I want to remove this side. Confirm. Trim once more. Tool would, that's great. Now the tool is this one, and I want to remove that side. Confirm. I will have to cut here, and then I want to cut here. So I will need two more circular patterned extrudes. So bring back those extrudes. Go for a circular pattern with this axis and that one. Yeah, I know I have to switch to body. That should switch automatically to body, but it doesn't. Two instances with 24 degrees. Confirm. And another circular pattern with now this axis, body, that one, and again 24 degrees. Confirm. Okay. Now I want to trim that surface with those two. Let's see if it works. I could hide those two extrudes. I might have to extend that surface, but let's try. Go for a trim. Trim. That's not the tool. This might be the tool, and I want to remove that side. If I go for split all, it goes up here, but yeah, that could work. If I go for, yeah, I could, this one and that one should be removed. Confirm. And then trim once more. Trim. Now that's the tool, and I want to remove split all, yes, this side. Confirm. Now let's hide those two, and I could hide that body, but now I want to use, could I trim with that body? That would be interesting to trim with that faces. I don't know if that works. Let's try cut with surface. Yeah, it's a surface. If I can go for Yeah, not possible. I thought so. Now, were still some patterns I could use. That's the one, and that's the other one, right? Yeah, so I will bring back those two. And now I want to trim that surface with those two, and I want to remove that on the inside. Let's see. Let's check. I could thicken and then cut with surface. Let's try to trim. So where's my trim? There's my trim surface. Trim surface. And the trim tool. If I could unite those two, could I that's not possible. So I want to trim with that one, and could I add this one? No. That's not possible. Of course I could. And then sew. That would be an idea. So I want to remove this side if possible. With this one, and I remove not the complete one, clear selection, but this side, and confirm. And then another trim. Now the tool would be that surface, and that's the surface trim, that's okay. And I want to remove this part. Not possible. So this should be the trim tool, and I want to remove this side. Confirm. Now I could knit those, so go for a knit. This one, and that one. Confirm. And now I could trim that surface with that knitted surface. So go for trim. The tool would be the surface knit, that's okay. And I want to remove this side. Confirm. Hide those surfaces, not all of them. This should be visible, the last one, the trimmed one. This should be visible, yeah. Now let's thicken this one to that direction. So go for thicken. The surface, yes. Go, let's make it 10 so it's better visible. The other way around. Like this. Go for 2 millimeter. And merge the results if possible, because after all that's another Parasolid program. Okay, great. Now I could do my fillets, so go for fillet, normal one, 5 millimeter on this edge, confirm. Then another one, 7 millimeter on this edge, and the one down below, that one. Let's see if it works. Yeah. And another one here. So go for another fillet, 10 millimeter. This one, confirm. Now I could, of course, hide that axis, hide this sketch, hide that sketch, and this one, and mirror the body. So where's my mirror tool? Here it is. I want to mirror a body. That body. with this plane. Merge the solids, yes, confirm, okay. And another mirror, again bodies, this body, the mirror plane would be that one. Merge, confirm, and I'm done. So let's hide those planes. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. Would be very nice if you want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.